Bottle changes color. In this chemistry demonstration, a blue solution gradually becomes clear. When the flask of liquid is swirled around, the solution becomes blue again. Instructions are given for performing the reaction. The chemistry is explained and options for making red, clear, red and green, red or yellow, green color change reactions are explained. The blue bottle reaction is easy to perform and uses readily available materials. Materials required are tap water, a 1 liter Erlenmeyer flask with stopper, 2.5 gram glucose for 1 flask, 2.5 gram sodium hydroxide, 0.1% solution of methylene blue, that is 1 milliliter. Procedure: fill the 1 liter Erlenmeyer flask with tap water. Dissolve 2.5 grams of glucose in the flask. Add 2.5 grams of sodium hydroxide, that is NaOH, in flask. Add approximately 1 milliliter of 0.1% methylene blue to the flask. Stopper the flask and shake it to dissolve the dye. The resulting solution will be blue. Set the flask aside for some time. The liquid will gradually become colorless as glucose is oxidized by the dissolved dioxygen. The effect of concentration on reaction rate should be obvious. The flask with twice the concentration uses the dissolved oxygen in about half the time as the other solution. A thin blue boundary can be expected to remain at the solution-air interface since oxygen remains available via diffusion. The blue color of the solution can be restored by swirling or shaking the contents of the flask. The reaction can be repeated several times. How the reaction works? In this reaction, glucose, that is an aldehyde in alkaline solution of NaOH, is slowly oxidized by dioxygen to form gluconic acid. The equation goes like this: CH2OH, CHOH, 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 CHO plus half O2. C2OH, CHOH, 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 COOH. Gluconic acid is converted to sodium gluconate in the presence of sodium hydroxide. CH2OH, CHOH, 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 COOH, CH2OH, CHOH, 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 COONA. Methylene blue speeds up this reaction by acting as an oxygen transfer agent. By oxidizing glucose, a complex leucomethylene blue and becomes colorless. When we shake or stir solution, sufficient amount of oxygen is made available from air. Leucomethylene blue is reoxidized and the blue color of solution can be restored. Upon standing, glucose reduces the methylene blue dye and the color of the solution disappears.